My name's Billy Messerschmidt. I'm the Deputy Chief of Center Square Fire Company. We've had the Explorer tablets for about 2 years now. One advantage we have with the Explorer tablets is we can take them out, we can walk around with them. You couldn't do that. It wasn't really feasible with a Toughbook. Yeah, the Toughbooks were just awkward and cumbersome. With the Explorer tablets, the keyboard is separate of the actual tablet, so it gives you a little more flexibility on how you mount it. You're able to move just the keyboard around without sacrificing the entire screen. You can move the tablet out of the way of the view of the driver if they're looking in the right side mirror. We're using our county-based software called MPS, which is our dispatch software. We receive dispatch information, CAD notes, mapping, things like that. We also have all of our map pages for our response area loaded in, as well as all of our pre-plans. So we can take that tablet into a building and reference pre-plans inside the building as we walk through and try to find a problem. In the future, yeah, we'd like to have all of our trucks outfitted with them eventually. You know, the goal being we have a central repository for all of our map pages, our pre-plans. We load that information on there, and as soon as it's updated in our, on our server, it's loaded onto the tablets, and they have that information at their fingertips. We had a strong relationship with John Hill from Allegiance. The tablets came highly recommended. We did an extensive demo on them, and we came to find that they were the best fit for our department.